Right now, I have some clients that just bought their first investment property. It's a, you could call it a triplex, but really it's a duplex with a casita. So really exciting stuff. In fact, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're here at my client's investment property. He's gonna be living here while renting out the additional units. This will help keep the mortgage payments low while interest rates are higher. Rates have gone down a little bit recently, but that'll be for another video. Also, you can just refinance later on, or you could buy down the rate, which is what we did because we got so much money back from the seller, over $25,000. You can do this too if you have a highly skilled realtor, or you can reach out to me by going to my website or commenting down below for more information on that. Now, eventually my client would like to rent out this entire unit and buy another place. I think that's a really smart idea. In fact, you can avoid paying capital gains taxes if you do it a certain way. Also, taxes on duplexes and triplexes can be relatively low. For example, on this place in 2022, the taxes were only $394. Yes, you heard that right. For the whole year, $394. The only problem with picking up a property like this is that they are a little bit more expensive. We got lucky on this one. We picked it up for $447,000. The important thing to remember when buying an investment property like this one is you can get approved for a higher loan amount because you can use the rental income. But keep these few things in mind when you do that. So if you have a co-borrower, they have to be living in the house. Also, the appraisals are going to be a little bit more money, about $200 more. But this is going to determine how much rental income you can use. Now, before I end this video, let me show you inside. But first, if you're in the market to buy or sell, please reach out and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, let's go in.